Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: your Microsoft account and an active Xbox Game Pass subscription. Once done, make sure Windows is updated. This avoids store and app errors. Next, download and install the Xbox app or Xbox for Windows from the Microsoft Store and sign in with the exact same Microsoft account. This first step links identity and access across services. Make sure the app can run background services and has permission to access storage, so games can install without. Once signed in, navigate to Profile and confirm your account details. This is how Game Pass entitlement is checked. Then open Settings, set your default install location, and allow the app to run in background. That enables downloads and cloud saves. If the app asks to link to Microsoft Store, accept it so the store can manage installs. Also check storage and game install options, then start an install. Make sure GPU and controller drivers are current to avoid launch problems. You finish by selecting a Game Pass game and hitting install. The Xbox app or Microsoft Store will manage the download and entitlement check. Once installed, launch it directly from the Xbox app so cloud saves and overlays connect automatically. If the game fails to start, first sign out and back into the Xbox app, then reset the app via Windows settings. Also verify Xbox-related services are running, clear the Microsoft Store cache, and update GPU drivers. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most linking or launch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.